So guys, this is the part 2 of the Mango testnet. So we proceed. So the next thing to do is to copy, go to the wallet, your Mango wallet, and copy your receiving address. Okay, you copy your address and come to Discord. Right, let me go to Discord. We join the Mango this thing. If you don't find it in your app, automatically you scroll within this place, you see it a Mango. That's the logo Mango. So you click on it to open the server. Right, so you need to scroll to faucet. This is faucet right here. This is MGO faucet. That's the one you click on. You click on it and then you look at what other people are doing. Right, you just type MGO. Let me see, it has to come up. Okay, sorry, you say at, you type at MGO. Now when you type at MGO, you see the things that came up. You see this one, that's Mango faucet. Yes, MGO faucet. Tap on MGO faucet and then paste your wallet address and then send. Just that. Okay, the faucet will be sent. They will send the faucet to you. So I just entered my own. Let me enter it again and see. At MGO, you tap, you paste the address. Okay, now how you know that you have gotten is that it will not. Okay, we have, after 1 hour we can come and claim again, right? So let me just close this and come back to this place. So we have claimed the faucet, right? Yes, right now it just appeared in the wallet. Okay, 0.5 MGO. So we've gotten what we want. So the next thing now is to go back, come back here and then proceed. So there are 6 things to do here. 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not compulsory to do all this, but you have to do the ones you can do, right? In this video I will do the ones we can do. So let's start from the first one, which is Mango swap. So just click on the first one, you tap on it. Okay, now it brings you here. Okay, it brings you to this page. The next thing to do is to click on go to tax. Now the things to do here, they say MGO back to USDT, exchange USDT back to MII. They say use the obtained MII to swap for USDT. So these are 3 things you need to do. So click on this place, go to tax. Okay, so click on go to tax. So it takes you to the next page. So at this page, you still need to connect your wallet. By the right hand upper right there, click on connect wallet, select Mango wallet. You connect the wallet is connected. So you need to click on this tiny icon here. You see that tiny icon, the drawdowns, that's the places you click to change assets. So I can zoom in this, so tap there. So when you tap there, let me see if I can zoom out. Okay, I'll click there. It has to bring, let me zoom out again. So you click on Mango MGO, tap on MGO, click on the second one, tap on USDT. Okay, so let's swap 0.1 Mango, 0.1 MGO to USDT. So it will give us 0.3 USDT. So click on submit and then you confirm the transaction. You just wait a little bit. Yes, you approve the transaction. Click on approve. So yeah, it is approved, right? We have swapped 0.1 MGO to USDT. So the next task, they say we should exchange USDT back to MAI. So you come back to the swap mechanism, click on the MGO, change it to USDT, click on the down one, change it to MAI, then click on maximum. We are swapping everything to MAI. So click on, or let me swap 0.2 USDT to MAI, right? It will give us 0.08. So click on submit. Just the same thing, guys. Okay, you just approve the transaction. Click on approve. So this is it. So it's done, right? Now that we have done this, let me check if there's any other thing. I think this is it. So okay, they say use the obtained MAI to exchange for USDT. So you come back again, use this center icon to interchange both of them. You see this center icon there, tap on it to change them. You see that MAI have gone up, USDT down. So click on maximum. Okay, now you see that the MAI we swap have not reflected. So what you need to do is to refresh the page. So you refresh the page. So you now click on MAI USDT, change it to US, then click on maximum. We are swapping the MAI to USDT now. So click on submit. Click on submit. So you wait for the approval. You click on approve, right? So when you have, yes, it's done. It's done. So you now come back, minimize, and come here and click on submit, submit, submit. Click on the three submit there. So it is, click on submit. Is now, it is synchronizing, right? It says synchronizing. So wait for a few minutes. So let me wait for a while. After a while, you come and click on this button, this refresh button, to know if it have shown you completed. Okay, so let me pause this video and wait for a while. Guys, we are going to do part 3. So after a while, these things have confirmed. Okay, as you can see, they are all completed. So you can now click on the back icon. Okay, that's the back icon there. You tap there to go back to go and complete other quests. Okay, so yeah, so we have done the first one. So the second one, they say bridge, mango bridge. So you click on it as well. You click on mango bridge. So this is where we might find it difficult. So I'm going to do a part 3 of this. Okay, I'll also put the link in the video description. After watching the part 2, open the video description to watch the part 3 so you can continue with the part 3, right? Yeah.